What is cost accounting? The field of cost accounting involves the collection, evaluation, and the dissemination of information about an organization's expenses. The main goal is to support insurance companies in making smarter business decisions, optimizing resources allocation, and increasing productivity and profitability. Calculate the total cost of manufacturing a product or providing a service, including direct and indirect costs. Accounting supports a business' future financial forecasting and effective budgeting. Maintain profitability and stay competitive by accurately estimating products' costs to set fair sales prices. By identifying and analyzing the frequency causes of cost. Cost accounting helps business control and minimize unnecessary expenses. It can also be used to evaluate the effectiveness and individual departments or projects. The main advantages of cost accounting include improving a company's profitability and optimizing resource allocation. Accurate cost data helps companies strategically allocate resources across departments, projects, and activities. This accounting increases the transparency of financial reporting, allowing investors, insurance companies, and other stakeholders to better understand the health of the business while helping developers make more meaningful and informed business decisions. Additionally, cost accounting can help business mitigate uncertainty by identifying potential risks and financial costs.
Good greetings, everyone. I'm Srinisha, and I'll be presenting the part 2 of this assignment, which is company profile about Munchies. Munchies is a Malaysian snack food manufacturer, and its main organization headquarters is located at Batu Pahat, and the corporate headquarters is located at Klang. They also have multiple locations of their local offices, such as Ipoh, Butterworth, Kota Baru, Johor Bahru, Kuantan, Melaka, Kota Kinabalu, and followed by Kuching. They are not only operating in Malaysia, they also have their global operational presence, which is in Singapore and Thailand. We are still in Munchy's company profile. The company works under a few policies, and their vision is building a world that's happier together with every bite of their Munchy's products. The mission of the company is to provide healthier, tastier, and delightful creations that bring people together in the moments of happiness. As I said, the policy or the goals that Munchies hold on to is to satisfy the global demands of signature crunch. Munch World Marketing was set up in 1997 in accordance to this goal, and Munchies arm and sole worldwide distributor. The objective of the company is to spread their world of fun in everything that they do together. They are poised to take over the world and in one yummy bite at a time. Let's look into Munchie's company background. It all started in 1991. A bunch of biscuit aficionados brother who formulated their first successful crunch with just a second-hand wafer stick machine in a small peaceful town in Malaysia. And in 1993, they shared their wonders of their creation to the world, such as the music, the Munchy and Lexus. These were all baked in our own country, Malaysia, in the iconic factory at Batu Pahat. Moving forward to 1996, Munch's production facility in Johor was inaugurated. It is a 120,000 square feet space, and it was entirely automated wafer advanced technology was implemented. And last but not least, in 1997, to satisfy the global demands of their signature crunch biscuits, a setup of marketing was done in 1997 to sold worldwide and become a worldwide biscuit distributor. Munchies have few products, few world-renowned products, and first and foremost is the Crackers, followed by Lexus, 7 Days, Captain Munch, Old Crunch, Music, and Choco. Looking into Munchy's organizational structure, it is an horizontal organizational structure. It all starts with the Chief Executive Officer Rodney Wong and ends by Josephine Su, Head of Human Resource.
For Munchy company, cost accounting is mainly used to measure the financial performance of their company and gain a clear understanding of their company's profits and losses, so that the company can make suitable decisions in the future. The main purpose of cost accounting is to help merchants determine the cost of merchant products. Their mainly introduces raw material costs, labor costs, transportation costs, and other overhead costs. By calculating this share of costs, the appropriate price for each product can be better determined. In merchant business management, we will use cost accounting method to calculate operating costs. The process is designed by analysis product cost, distribution cost, and other day-to-day operating expenses. Generally speaking, cost accounting is not only a measurement tool for financial performance in merchants' operations, but also for management decision-making, provide a sort of foundation for the company's long-term sustainable success. For cost accounting, there are many types of costs, such as direct costs, indirect costs, sunk costs, opportunity costs, fixed costs, and variable costs, and so on. For direct costs are related to the production of goods and service. For indirect costs is unrelated to the goods or service. For fixed costs is do not vary with the number of goods or service a company produce over the short term. For variable costs, the types of costs vary depend on the number of products a company produce. This this use the principle of financial costs to record, classify, sum, and analyze the relevant costs of the produce in the production, and sales process to determine the total cost and unit cost of products or service. Cost accounting assists management in planning and controlling a company's operations, make long-term to strategic decisions, and establishing very cost control method, reduce costs and improve quality.
Of cost accounting, normal or actual. The Munchy's Food Industry Syllabus uses a normal cost calculation system for the accurate financial reporting. The company integrates accounting, finance, and management to analyze various costs. Normal cost calculation involves tracking direct material and labor costs along the absorbed reduced overhead. The basic department rate is employed and predetermined overhead allocation in the multi-departmental production process. The two-tiered cost allocation system considers direct and indirect expenses for the detailed breakdowns of cost. Munchy's Food Industry Syllabus employs three methods, which was direct, sequential, and recapable for expense allocation among different departments. Method, which was process costing, job order costing, Munchy's Food Industry Syllabus. The first thing was process costing, which was process costing accumulates costs by the process of the department over a period, allocate to numerous identical products in uniform in the large scale production. Goals in the determined conversion cost per unit for each process, aiding pricing evaluation and process enhancement. The second thing was job order costing. Job order costing is a use for a design unit or batches catering to specify customer requirements. Second, prevents in a customer or unique production industry. Costing track medication for individual jobs enabling precise unit cost calculation for the detailed profit analysis. The third thing was the costing Munchy's food industry India overhead, which was Munchy's employee process costing due to the department based on production process. Utilize a just in a time system for efficient raw materials. Emphasize quality assurance through the dedicated quality control team, computerized system control, and a production process. Classification and allocation of cost. Cost allocation in the Munchy's business cost accounting is critical. Gathers comprehensive data on production, including raw materials, labor, overhead, marketing, and maintenance costs. Involve recording accurate cost detail from the document resources like invoice, receipt, check stubs, and delivery notes. Process ensure detailed and reliable expenses account for biscuit production. Form of foundation and effective financial management and decision making. Support performance analysis within the company cost accounting framework. 3. Which was accumulation of costs, cost classification, and allocation of costs. The first thing is allocation of costs, which was Munchy's realized on primary sources like invoice, receipt, and etc. for accurate cost information. Primary cost provides original alternative data obtained through the meeting, emails, and postal communication. They ensures the accuracy and authority of cost data for reliable financial records. And Munchy's fixed and variable cost showcasing economies of the scales and maintaining a steady variable cost per unit with a production functional. Okay, the next one is cost classification, which was Munchy's gradually classified cost into a direct, which was a raw material, and indirect operational marketing category. And then it was further differentiated into a fixed, which was machine depreciation, and variable raw cost, expenses cost, which was the fixed costs remain constant while variable cost fluctuate with production levels. And classify ensures cost analyze aiding effective expenses monitoring, strategy, decision making, and financial planning. The third thing is allocation of cost, which was Munchy's associate direct material and labor just directly with a bread product. Overhead cost allocation involves methods such as floor space and machine hours. Strategy allocations uses factory floor area and a rental insurance machines usage basics for the utilities, maintenance, and depreciation. And then the last thing was detailed cost allocation ensures accurate determination of product costs, aiding decision making, pricing strategy, and overall like a profitable management. Thank you.
Here is discussion and the recommendations. Munchy's company has become a leading brand in Malaysia's local biscuit field. Its success is due to efficient cost management and commitment to product quality. Under the leadership of CEO Ranani Ron, Munchy's uses high-tech machinery to optimize production processes, reduce costs, and increase profit. At the same time, the company continues to invest in employee training to maintain product quality, consistency, and meet different consumer needs. Despite the challenges of rising raw material and energy costs, Munchy's has successfully expanded in more than 50 countries and regions around the world. Companies need to pay attention to price adjustment strategies to maintain consumer purchasing power. Munchy's is famous for its specialty croissants, which have received rave reviews for their unique fillings and craftsmanship. ranking first in the world. In order to diversify its product line and promote better development, Munchies can consider launching more croissant-like products.